Hi everyone, this is your host, digital marketer and consultant Anuj Bharadwaj. So, if you are facing problem in selecting your name, your domain name, or what we say in layman language, website's name, then watch this complete video. After watching this video, even a child of 11 year will be able to select name of his website, and it's my promise. So let's begin this video. A website name. What is actually a website name or what we call domain name? Actually, it's the IP address, and IP address looks like 200.80.2.09, something like this. And this irritates person. You cannot tell it publicly that this is my website's name. Write it down. 200.08.79.2. You cannot say like this. Hence we use domain name. For example, example.com, it's a domain name. If you announce publicly that, write down my website name, www.example.com, you can tell it. It is comfortable for people. So you have know that what is domain or website's name. Now let's know how to choose your website name. Your website name must be your brand or your business name. It is mandatory. And if you do a prior work before incorporation of your company or your brand to select name, it will be more comfortable. There are some experts which will give you, recommend you the name, and you can find those experts on freelancing websites. Just a little amount you need to pay and they will give you that what kind of name shall you choose, and it's worth it. Now .com tld is most preferred because it can rank any part of the globe or around the globe. You will not face any problem in expanding your business or taking your online business to any part of globe or around the globe. That's why .com is preferred. And let's take an example that your brand name is example and you cannot find out example.com. Then you can use either example.net, example.org. Suppose both three are not available, you can take country wise domain. You can take example.in, example.uk, example.ae, but you have to think that you have to decide in which country you will work or your business is going on in which country. For example, if you take example.in domain, it will rank only in India. If you take example.uk, it will rank only in United Kingdom. If you take example.ae, it will rank only in UAE. So in this way, you can select your website or domain name. And if you have any confusion, you can ask in the comment section. And if you watch this complete video again, your doubts will be clear. Now from where shall we buy the domain or website name? I recommend dynadot.com and my affiliate link is in the description. If you buy from dynadot.com, you will get it at low cost. Product will be same but cost will be low. So my affiliate link is in the description. You can buy from there. And if you have any more question or you need any more update, you can ask in the comment section. And now I think that your confusion about the domain name or website name selection has been cleared. So that's all for this video. Again we will meet in another video in future with solution of your business, or with such knowledge which will solve problems of your business related to digital marketing. Thanks for watching me. Have a good day.